reAlpha AI is a brand new AI software that's making waves in the tech community. If you're curious about this tool and want to know whether it's worth your time and investment, stay tuned because I'm about to break down 7 crucial things you need to know before you dive in. First up, reAlpha AI has a unique edge compared to other AI tools hitting the market. This software is designed to automate and streamline the process of analyzing property investment data, making it incredibly valuable for real estate investors. Whether you're just getting started or looking to level up your real estate game, reAlpha AI's data-driven insights are powerful. The most compelling feature of reAlpha AI is its predictive capabilities. It uses AI to forecast property values and rental potential, which can give investors a significant advantage when making decisions about which properties to buy. This is a game changer for anyone serious about real estate because it minimizes the guesswork and boosts your confidence when evaluating potential investments. Another thing worth mentioning is how user-friendly reAlpha AI is. Even though it's packed with advanced technology, the interface is intuitive, which means you don't need to be a tech expert to get value from it. For someone new to AI or real estate investing, this is a major plus because you can start seeing results right away without wasting time on steep learning curves. reAlpha AI also leverages machine learning to optimize its recommendations. The more you use it, the smarter it gets. This means you'll start seeing more personalized insights tailored specifically to your preferences and investment goals. So if you're using it to track a specific type of property, the AI will start honing in on the features that matter most to you. When it comes to integrations, reAlpha AI shines here as well. It connects seamlessly with other tools in the real estate space, from property listing platforms to financial tracking apps. This means you won't have to jump through hoops to get all your systems working together. It makes your workflow smoother and ensures you're not losing time to manual processes. One thing I really appreciate about reAlpha AI is its transparency. The software doesn't just give you data and leave it at that. It explains the rationale behind its predictions, which is important for those who want to understand the logic behind each recommendation. This is crucial for building trust in AI tools and understanding how they can help you make smarter decisions in real estate. For those wondering about affordability, reAlpha AI offers a free trial, which is a great way to test the waters before committing. It's worth trying out if you're looking for a tool to assist with property analysis, but don't want to jump in without knowing exactly what you're getting. Lastly, it's important to note that reAlpha AI is a relatively new player in the AI space, but its early adoption and growing popularity suggest that this is a platform that will continue to evolve and improve over time. If you're an investor or just someone looking to explore AI in real estate, this is a great software to start with. If you want to try reAlpha AI for free, click the first link in the description below to get started. I've personally tested thousands of AI tools, and this one stands out for its unique combination of real estate focus and powerful AI capabilities. Before you go, check out the other recommended AI tools in the description. These are my top picks after testing countless options in the market. Whether you're in real estate or just looking to improve your workflow with AI, I've got you covered with the best recommendations.